guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm going to introduce you to my favorite new toy. This is the Comforday handheld steamer, and it has changed cleaning for me so much. I hate cleaning, which I'm sure most people do, but when I got this steamer, it made me actually look forward to it because it's so satisfying. The window in my son's room is so dirty and stuck on, and I've been wanting to clean it properly for a long time. And now that it's spring and I finally have this steam cleaner, it took me no time at all. Just a couple minutes and I steam cleaned this so thoroughly and then wiped it all out, and it was good as new. It looks so nice, even though these are old windows. And I also did a little bit of the rim in his room too. You can see the dirt coming off here. It's so satisfying. It works so well. And we had a little bit of a waxident with some wax melts that spilled on one of his favorite toys. And I was gonna take a hairdryer to it, but that just takes so long. Using this steam cleaner made it so much quicker, and it got off all that waxy residue. Just a little bit of staining is left behind, but all the wax is gone. Also, if you have a kid, you know that there sometimes gets food stuck on the floor and you don't even know what it is. I used this steamer and I got this off in seconds, whatever it is. I wiped it right away. There was nothing left. Also, yogurt is like glue. It's so hard to wipe this off, but when I use this steamer, again, it came off in seconds and I just wiped it away so easily. If you've got some tough stuck on messes, or you just want that extra little bit of help cleaning, this is absolutely the steam cleaner for you. But that's just my point of view.